Okay, so to remove the door, you open it and you have to push these locking clips so that it's on the first notch right there on this side too. The second notch is for removing the hinge. You cannot take the hinge out unless this is locked in an open position. But to take the door off, you put it on the first notch and then you slide the door right out of position. Okay, this is how we're going to repair this hinge. Now, problem with it is this pin that holds this locking mechanism on to hold the door open so you can get the door off and on. It's come loose. You can see it's almost popping out there, and it's very dangerous to work with this without that lock on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to press that pin back in there, and then we're going to tack weld it on the other side so it doesn't come out. Okay, so I'm using this tool here to press this pin so it's fully seated, and then it'll give us, now it's real nice and tight, so we'll tack weld it on the other side right here, prevent that pin from coming out again. Okay, put that in the vise and we'll turn on our welder. That should do it. Okay, so now that we repaired this hinge, we want to put it back in. So putting it in is the reverse of taking it out. You have to put it on this second locking tab. You slide the hinge in like that. Be careful. You probably should wear gloves. I'm taking a risk here without wearing gloves, but you push this all the way in. Like that. Get this part underneath. Like that. And then you take your screws. Okay, let's get this baby started here. Okay, putting this hinge in here. I got the bottom screw in there. You have to find a Okay, so you can see you need to put this locking mechanism on just like this to leave the door open so you can slide the door back on. And you put the cover on in the bottom here. Not all Viking ranges might do like this, but pretty similar. It's very common for these hinges to go bad. I've got another set in my shop where they actually bent. People leaning on the door. Okay, that's on, so now we take the door. You slide it on.